Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're spotlighting the best two-person dome waterproof tent that's captured attention for its portability, durability, and simplicity. The two-person camping tent by Wakeman Outdoors. Whether you're heading to the mountains, chilling at the beach, or rocking out at a weekend festival, this tent may just become your new favorite travel companion. Let's get right into it. When it comes to camping gear, simplicity and performance are everything, and this dome tent delivers both. It's designed to comfortably fit two adults, and thanks to its compact dimensions, 77 inches long, 57 inches wide, and 40 inches high, it strikes a great balance between portability and space. At just over 3 pounds, it's lightweight enough to pack in your backpack without weighing you down, which makes it ideal for backpacking, hiking, or even an impromptu beach trip. Now let's talk build. The outer material is made from 190T polyester, which is water-resistant and holds up against wind, light rain, and damp ground. A removable rainfly comes included, adding a second layer of protection when the skies turn gray. And when the sun comes out, you can simply detach the rainfly to enjoy a more ventilated experience. The dual-layer door. It combines an inner mesh screen with an outer zippered fabric flap. This gives you the freedom to customize your airflow without inviting the bugs in. Whether you're after a cool breeze on a hot summer night or full privacy, this door system is a thoughtful touch. Speaking of airflow, there's also a ventilation window at the back of the tent. It helps reduce condensation, making your mornings a lot more comfortable. Plus, you'll find a small interior pocket where you can stash essentials like a flashlight, your phone, or a power bank, so they're not rolling around the floor in the dark. And let's talk setup, because no one wants to fumble with instructions after a long hike. This tent uses fiberglass poles, which keep it lightweight but sturdy. Setting it up is simple and takes just a few minutes. The poles slide easily into fabric sleeves and pin into grommets at the corners. When it's time to pack up, everything fits neatly back into the included carrying bag that's just 23 inches long. Perfect for slipping into the trunk or strapping to a backpack. The color scheme is also worth mentioning. The blue and gray combo is sleek and clean, blending well into most natural settings without being too loud or flashy. If you're a solo adventurer who likes a bit of extra space, or a duo heading out for a weekend in the woods, this tent checks a lot of boxes. It's not meant for extreme weather or heavy-duty expeditions, but for casual camping and travel, it holds up impressively well. And considering the price point, often hovering around the $20 to $25 range, it's a great value for entry-level and budget-conscious campers alike. In short, the Wakeman two-person dome tent offers convenience, protection, and comfort in a package that's easy to carry and even easier to love. It's compact, smartly designed, and has the essentials covered. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss future gear reviews and buying guides. Drop your camping questions or tent stories in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay curious and camp smart.